Here's my new space. You can see there's little drawers. This here is my sewing machine area. This is where I stream, as I keep my computer there. You can see that there. My desk. These are my Jane palette hotels. You can see my cute little, love that little bowl with the face. And then my little mermaids up there. And then down here. Musical markers. My painting water. More brushes. There. My desk. Inside there I have markers, mostly. More pens. Those are my new shelves. I'll be put up. You can see there. I don't have anything in these yet. My paints. All my washi, not all my washi, but my washi tape. There. Cabinet. That is the book that I won from Jane. My little cat litter tray that I got from her. Then these are the grandstands. And there you can see I have them filled with my fairy dust, daughters, watercolor, my pencil, my layer cakes are in there. I have an empty space in the pencil there. Jane, if you're watching, for your watercolor pencils when they come out. My new gessos, and then I have a couple of spaces left for when she has the sprays come out, or the Cosmic Shimmer. Then this is my cart, which I still have to fix. Inside this is a new Jane stencils and stamps. It's my rug on the bottom. It's pretty. I just got this rug. Then I have my cabinet. You can see up here on the top. Those brushes. I love these brushes. Someone very special gave those to me. I love them. So that's a cabinet. And this is the mermaid cabinet. It's with Jane's ribbon. You can see here. Oh no, let me step back here. You can see I put all the Inky Girls on there from Brando. Hope I'm not making you sick. Then this is going to be, I have stamps up here. There'll be stamps on the first two, and then I'm going to put all my stencils on the other three. And then I have this little rack here. That's still a mess back there. It has to be cleaned. My stencils there. All my Jane books. And then my laces. Pretty much that's it. More mess that I have to clean up. So, let me see if I can get back here so I could give you an overall view. Oh, wait, am I being in the picture? Hold on. So let's see. Ooh, I don't want to be in there. You can see there's my big lights I use for YouTube. Sewing machine, still a mess back there I have to clean up. My die cutting machine. That's it.